Alright guys, I should be live now. Hopefully you guys should be able to hear me well. Let me check my OBS. Make sure everything's good. Audio looks good, video looks good. Alright, awesome. So I'm going to quickly just double check, make sure everything is working, and we can actually get into the CTF. This is the Discord server, by the way, in case if you haven't seen it. Alright, cool, yeah, so everything looks good. Let me copy that link. Awesome. Alright, so guess let's get into it. I'll tell everyone that I'm live. So with this, let me pop this out. Sorry guys, give me 1 second, just setting up the live stream. You know how it goes. Minimize that. Alright, and that's the OBS. So minimize that. Alright, sorry guys. Alright, cool. So you guys should be able to hear me doing, the whole thing. Alright, so let me tell David that I'm ready. And David is one of the CTF members on our Discord server. Streaming good to go. Cool. So let me. Alright, yeah, everything looks good. So let's put that over there for now, just so we can have a better view of everything. We have Discord. Alright, so as you know, HackTheBox is a CTF platform, and we are going to be doing the Cyberpocalypse. So far, wow, 3,500 people have joined so far. Let's play the CTF. I wonder how much. Alright, ranking is 615. Awesome, cool. Yeah, that's our CTF team, Cosmodium, and that's our motto: capture the flag. Ranking 16. All right, cool. So let's see what ones there are. So we got warm up done. Well, so they got a lot of work done already. There's some web ones. Move my Discord over here. All right, so there's some pretty good ones here. Pawn. Looks like no one on the team got any for Pawn yet. Crypto. There's a SpongeBob one. Reversing. Forensics. Okay. Let's see a little arrow here. It's probably more. Yeah, okay. There's a hardware section, and there's the miscellaneous. Cool. So let me ping David and see what he's up to. Which one? And if you guys want more of a behind the scenes look on everything that's going into the stream, you can join the Discord server as well. So cool. So I'm gonna make this smaller as well. Cool. Hey, what's up, David? Cool. So probably start off with some either web or crypto, because those web, crypto, or forensics are probably the ones I'm going to start off with, unless if any of the miscellaneous ones are pretty chill. So David, I know you're doing this. Do I need is this like track me? Like, do I have to get a VPN thing, or can I just do it here? It's like the Jeopardy style, or the. I don't know. You've been doing it. You got a head start, so I just want your input. So, all right. I guess. I don't know. just do any random one. Alright, alien camp. Docker's online. I click the URL to copy. Do I put this in the web browser or do I have to? I have no clue what is going on. I'm so out of practice. Yeah. I haven't played with HackTheBox. I've used TryHackMe. But we still got 4 days, 2 hours. Like I got through the account making thing and then I haven't like used it since. What's up, Adam? Challenge info. The Ministry of Galactic Defense now accepts human applicants for their specialized warrior unit. In exchange, their debt to be erased. We do not want to subject our people to this training and be used as pawns in their little games. We need to answer 500 of their questions to pass a test and take them down from the inside. Okay. So I started the challenge. I said I need to get through Docker. You have to let the Docker start. I believe I did. Yeah, Alien Docker's online. Did you do that through my terminal? I even touched Docker. Alright, so let's cd into malware, CTF, and let's make a direct. Oh, wait, no. I can cd into HackTheBox, I think. HackTheBox, yeah, there you go. Clear, so we can make a directory called cyber apocalypse. As I said, Discord, it's super laggy. Yeah. No, just paste it in the bar. That's what I did. It didn't work. Oh, so now it works? Okay. So they're setting me up for failure. Alright, cool. So let me finish making all this stuff. So we can just add the cyberpocalypse and then we can cd into cyberpocalypse. Clear. Alright, so let's touch our readme.md file. And then I guess we can just clear this and yeah, just minimize that for later. Alright, cool. So we got the readme.md. Cyber apocalypse by yours truly, Chris Taylor, and then Cosmo. And then what is the date? It's like it's April 19th, I think. 18th, 19th? 19th. That's not right. No, it is right. Okay. Yeah, April 19th, 2021. For that, I had, was that data as a service? Yeah, data as a service. I had to wait 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I guess this is pretty laggy, huh? So, alright, so alien camp. Alright. Oh, I don't know why that's so laggy. Alien camp. Alright, so I guess we can just get into it. The Docker thing was this stuff. I don't think I need to include that. So what is this? Alien camp Y0M take test invalid option. Are you supposed to be able to run this? right. But I haven't touched. Okay. So alien can't want a take test invalid option. Is this some sort of like code or something? That's what I'm trying to figure out. And David, if you want, we can hop on the, because day one is always, yeah, for sure. We learned that from Nomcom. Lord, that's fine. The whole website was down for the first hour. Cool. So let's read the information again. Maybe there's like a hint in here. The Ministry of Galactic Defense now accept human applicants for their specialized warrior unit. So it's some sort of test. Is there any way I doubt that's going to do anything. Yep, that's going to do nothing. I think this like format is a clue. Is it like some sort of code directed? Like, yeah, the binary with the 34M and then 0M. It's 34M. 0. That looks familiar. Like, I can't place it, but okay, that's not gonna get me anywhere. What's that like? I know in like Java, like when I did Java, there's like this like binary like placement you would put before and after in order to make it like colored or to do something like that. I think it's a hint. Maybe command injection. Injection to what? No, I agree. I agree with you on the hint part. But like, it's not like I have like a shell or something I can just, unless if I send it directly to the link. Should I like kind of run like mmap to see like what things are like running on this, or do I have to like, because I want to like be overkill, you know? Alright, so maybe alien camp test is a clue. Alien camp test. Yeah, to the link. Okay. Alright, so should I run like a derp? Web stuff is a bit out of my norms. No, I got you, man. I got you. So what I'm wondering is, because I don't want to like be overkill and just run unnecessary stuff on the link. But I mean, I will. So, all right, I guess we're just gonna play around with this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is run the derb on this thing. That's not too many errors. So, yeah, okay. Because it's like, fatal too many errors connecting to host. Unsupported protocol. Yeah. Okay. So that doesn't work. Can I do mmap maybe? Like, I want to mmap. I haven't used mmap in a while. Well, let me pull something out real quick. Okay, so cool. Okay. Sorry. So let's close this because that didn't work out for anything. Maybe we can do an nmap type of thing on this, even though it's not web, like it's in the miscellaneous section. So, I mean, I guess I can still go for it. So tech C, tech service versions. Maybe we can do pet for this nmap initial. I think I have to make a nmap directory, make directory, and cool. And then we can throw that in here and see how that works out. You're in chat. Which are you talking about? Discord or is that like a low? Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can't do any web stuff with this link. Or is it like the port attachment? Is that like messing with it? But I don't just want nmap. I'm like, doing nmap won't give you much, I guess. Have you, because you have only exposed one port on the app. Oh, okay. So yeah, just take off the port. That's what I was about to say. So if I take off the port, yeah, that didn't do much. I can like do the tac p port thingy. Like isn't that the syntax, like tac p? Tac p. I remember the port, so I'm just gonna paste it in again. You're on Discord. Yeah. Alright, I got you. Your port specifications. Your port specifications are illegal. Oh, yeah, I see why. I don't have a space after. Oh, yeah, so nmap's just not going to do anything from what we're doing. So yeah, I see you're on Discord. You want to like jump on like the voice thing, or you just chill, just doing the back and forth? You should delete HB. Oh yeah, that's right. I wasn't even paying attention. Host seems down. Is it down? Am I testing that? Initial. Have you done data as a service web? I haven't, but someone else in the Discord server has. Done. Yeah. Okay. So the map scan did not work. I might skip the miscellaneous and go straight to the web stuff because that's kind of what I'm pretty good at. Not, I wouldn't say pretty good. That's what I'm more used to. So yeah, I'm gonna hop out. I would do this later. So you turn it off. Dogger, you can turn that off. Yeah. We'll go back to that later. For the README, the Docker thing. we can just have that there. So I'm going to go right to the web stuff, I guess, because that's, yeah, I see some other people on the team got this part. So I'm going to go for one that has a decent amount of cells. Mini stream replace, is that what it says? Mini ST replace. Alright, cool. So let's paste that in. Oh yeah, you have to let it be laggy and stuff. So until then, we can go straight into, I guess I can do like the resources, and then we can do web, because that's what we're doing now. And what's the one we're doing right now called? Mini stream replace. Mini SDR Y place. That's how they spelled it, right? Yep. Alright. And then for the flag. So is this thing up now? Ministry of Defense. Military police is cooperating with Earth to create a big solar weapon. So what's this? QW.HP. Military police is cooperating. Okay, so it's just... Alright, so I guess I'll view the source as usual. So that's for the EN. So what's QW? Is that like, is EN English and then QW like something else? Oh. Alright, so I think I'm going to run a derb on this. So derb. And then can I just do it like this, like derb scan dot txt maybe? Or do I have to do it some other way? You know what? I'll just do terminal output, it's fine. Fatal? Okay. Why is it fatal? Or do I do the whole HTTP thing? Alright. HTTP :/ this. There you go. Alright, so it's getting a lot of stuff. I found a .that password. So I'm gonna check that out. .psawd. Is that not? Oh. /passwd. Why is that so weird? So I found like a /passwd directory. Doesn't seem as if. So I want to go over here. Bring that over here. Sorry. Cool. So all right, what else is the derps gonna get in? I wish I outputted that to the derp scan file. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rerun that scan and have it be outputted to this file because it was giving me trouble just now. So this thing, derb scan.txt. All right, cool. So while that's running, we can make a new page that updated itself and stuff. Cool. So is that it? Derp scan. Oh, that probably just out formatted it. So weird. I don't know why it does that. Does derp have like a tag O outputting thing? Derp tag. Derp tag. Oh, that tag help. Alright, you know what? Forget it. So I have a list of items here. So I see a bunch of numbers, like 2012 and 21. Sysadmin. So we can try a test maybe. Try sysadmin. So I'm seeing all these directories. Alright, I think I should run mmap on this too. Because maybe I'm supposed to be SSHing into here. So nmap tag sc tag sv tag output normal. And then we want to do the mmap initial. And then the target. I hate when they do that. This is giving me so much trouble. Yeah. Alright, so nmap tag sc tag sv tag on nmap initial. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to take out the port. So we'll have to make this tag p and then only apply the port into here and then add a space afterwards. So host seems down. Did I do something wrong again? Alright, I don't know. Something has been wrong with my scanning today. Let me take out the outputting to a file for now, and I'll just copy and paste it from the terminal because I am getting impatient. Let's try this. Oh wait, don't I had to tag put in the port as well. Tag p. Alright, there you go. So this right here should work. Host seems down. Okay. So is it the right IP address? Yeah. 172.1.3. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, this is being weird. I see what you guys are saying about it being buggy and all. So let me refresh this. Because of all these like alright, let me search that specifically. Military police is cooperating with Earth. to create the biggest solar beam weapon. So if we view the source, again, there's nothing. They have 2 language options, but from what I'm seeing, it doesn't have any difference. So we'll take those down for now. So I want to retry my Nmap scan because that should have been, I don't know. So let me clear this. So let's do this. We'll do Nmap tech sc tech sv tech output, and then we'll go into our Nmap directory, and I'll call this one, what do we call this? Alien camp, or is this ministry replace? Cool. That's what I'm going to call the file. And then we're also going to need to tag in the port. So let me full screen this and then go to the web browser, to our terminal. So our port is 30533, and then the target is 188.166.172.13. Maybe try with get parameter. Try STH with get parameter. What's STH? So let me figure out if this is like some sort of hint, maybe like the way they spelt the name, mini str replace. Let me separate it. Mini str replace. Is that like a thing? Like, is str like string? Because they did stry, I think. And then, yeah, mini stry place. And is it like, I know it's probably Ministry of Defense, but, oh yeah, okay, I see, Ministry place, okay. So if it's Ministry place, why do they capital the str? Is str like supposed to be string, or is that something else? Maybe like computer science related, like STR computer science. Visual Basic script. Alright, let's go with the computer science for now. Alright, that's what I was thinking. I think it's something to do with string, but I don't know what it's talking about. Is it like talking about this? Because this was capitalized? Yeah, I don't know why all this is so weird. So let me... There's probably some sort of output flag for dir, but until then, I'll just replace. Can you just replace it with nothing? Yeah, okay. Get rid of this spacing right here. You have this lane get param. Oh, like the language that it's using? Wait, was that supposed to happen? Is that like black background, or is that just like glitch? Yeah, so each time I refresh it, there's a different image. Okay. Get param, like get the parameter language get parameter. No, I still don't know what you're talking about, man. Sorry. Ministry of Defense. So I get it's ministry place. So is there something about this? Is it like a SDR that not? Or does it just work no matter what domain you put in? If I just did like a bunch of random numbers, I mean, random stuff. Yeah, okay, so I think I'm supposed to get some sort of scanning in. You can get the source for that challenge. I mean, I viewed the source. Is there like a different source you're talking about? You can get source for that challenge. Oh, are you, wait, Adam, are you talking about like this language thing? Like the language on the website? Or are you talking about something else? Like, yeah, so you can download it. Oh, like wget? That's a good idea. So wget. All right, so let's next to the, oh, this, got you. Oh, got you. Thank you, man. I completely looked over that. All right, appreciate it. All right, in that case, I am going to, I'll just clear this because I have the scan in the full file thing. So let's cd into our home documents / downloads, and we can, so there we go. So we can move the web thingy to /malware CTF HackTheBox and then the cyberpocalypse one. Awesome. So that's just going to be the whole purpose of that now. So I guess we can unzip it, right? So unzip the web thingy. All right, let's see what this is about. So challenge pages. Oh yeah, so that's like the PHP things. We already saw those, so we don't have to worry about that. That's the index.php, so we saw that already. And then there's the configuration here. Oh, flag. There you go. There you go. Thank you. All right, so where's that submit flag? Incorrect flag. Do I have to remove the C, or is that? So how is that not the flag? We got this thing right here. If I copy it, is that not the flag? Because it's in this flag file right here. Let's replace. Read the flag test. What flag test? Oh, text. Oh, fake flag for testing? That's funny. Okay. Alright, so I just have to keep going. Cool. JavaScript. Oh, let me do something. If I cd into malware CTF, Adam, the readme. Cool. Yeah, so what was that thing that I did? Oh, strings, I think. No, that wasn't it. What was the command that I used? If I can't remember it, then it's fine. I haven't solved this challenge yet, but I think it's a path traversal. Yeah, me too. I'm trying to find a shortcut that I used during NomCon, but I don't think I'll be able to find it. +1. I don't know what you're talking about. There's this shortcut that I used in non-conf for like path traversing and all that. I don't think I remember. I don't think I can remember what I did. That's why I'm looking through the notes thing here. If I can, I'll just go through it manually. But all right, yeah, no, that's fine. I'll leave that up there for future work. Until then, we can close this. And so we have the path now, I guess. So that flag is fake. Let's figure out the Docker file. Run add user. Copy challenge files. Command user bin superboy taxi. Supervisor. That might be important. Low tact RM. There's a lot of Docker stuff in here. Why is there an images? Oh yeah, that's right. So I feel like the capitalization on the str is important somehow. And I don't know why yet. Alright, so nothing is static. Let's go through pages. That's not going to have anything. I already saw those, so. But that's all the files, right? So we could try like some steg on the pictures, which I don't want to do, but we can try that. Maybe the Earth's being half covered. In index.php, there's something interesting. I'll check it out. Check out the Earth. I got nothing in there. All right, index.php. Include pages. Oh, this is what he was talking about. They remove the dot slash. Yeah. So this is what Adam was talking about. Okay. So string replaced. Yeah. Okay. So let's figure that out. By the way, you can Simon, you can join the Discord server if you want and join your team. But don't feel like you have to. You can do what you're doing. Alright, so why do they remove that in the lane thing? So include pages. So this is the pages, and then the file before that. So they remove it from challenge. So the challenge directory in the pages lane string replace dot slash into nothing, and then get lane array random. Okay. So do I have to go to the challenges or the challenge thing and find so include pages. They'll get the languages. Okay, so let me try like, oh, this one. So for this lane thing, so is that what they're removing? This lane file right here? Like this thing right here. The slash lane. So is there, I doubt this is going to work, but I can try like a wget specific to the language. Okay. Then where's lang? Yeah, that's what I thought. It's just the exact same. So is there like a file in there that I can try to get? Like lane and then flag or something? Yeah, because I'm just looking at random directories at this point. So replace that with \n. So we need to figure out how to bypass the PHP string replace. All right, let me go back to the cool. So for the index.php file, so it replaces the // with nothing. So like when you go on the website, all right, yeah, so like if I go on like let me refresh the website. It's like completely. Then if I go on like English, it'll do $lane equals en.php. Can I throw it in here, maybe? Or do I have to do some sort of PHP thing? All right. So we need to figure out how to bypass the replace. Yeah. But how do we do that? So it includes the pages directory, which is right here, which means that the dot dot slash is talking about the anything within the challenge directory. So is there like a lane directory that they are removing? Or what are they removing? So if this get lane, that's like the variable name. So this dot lane, okay, so this is like the variable name. So the en and then the qw, the English and whatever qw is, that php. So it gets this language. And then replace. So is the get lane just talking about like just the PHP files? Because it's getting, and then the lang is the variable name right here. So I'm assuming that's what they're talking about, unless if they're talking about something else. No, that's right, they use the variable names right here. So what is the PHP thing right here? So let me search this up. PHP W3 schools. Super global variables are built-in variables that are always available in all scopes. PHP get, this is a super global variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form with the method gets. Echo study. PH forms chapter, open that up. PHP form handling. The PHP superglobals get and post, are used to collect form data. Oh, okay. So yeah, when you use get, are you just getting like, so if you use like input your name, right? Could you use the get to get the name? Get name. It just, yeah, okay. So it's getting form data is what I'm seeing. So that's so interesting. Okay. So what, like, quote unquote form is it like receiving or going to? Or is it just going to, so include pages. Include pages is set to get. Okay, so it's getting the language. So is it saying like if it's either of these two languages? So get language, and then array random len. Is it randomizing this, or is it like? All right, so for study, you can get subject at the web. So your email address is get email. Oh, okay. So is that how we... Wait, I'm still confused. So what is it doing? Sorry, people are texting me. Give me 1 second. What I'm wondering is that with the PHP, like you said, David, or who said that? Yeah, like David said, we need to figure out how to bypass the replace thing. Could we like edit the HTML and run it? So if we do like Control-Shift-I, I'm gonna move this over here so you guys can see it. Let's move it to the left. So okay. So where's it doing that in the... Oh, I got you. Wait. So let's go to the index.php. Index.php. Where does it do that in the... Under which div? Div class language. So can I just search for it? I think you can bypass it by encoding the .. slash. There you go. Where's it doing that? Or should I look for the PHP in here? If we go to the ministry, then can we do like the PHP? Can we find... Alright, so the index.php in here doesn't include that, so I guess the download specific. We need to figure out how to bypass PHP. I think you can bypass it by encoding the .. slash. How would we do that exactly? If we're doing, I think it's still my, no, okay. What's the link for this? Let me just duplicate this. So if I go into like the English thing.php, so if the language equals this, can we just do like a... And will that do anything, or is that just... Or do we have to specify like the language thing, maybe? Did that do something? author, content, Bertolus, make, is that in there before? Like if I just go to, all right, if I open like the normal website, right? Which one am I doing? This one? If I go here, maybe with, oh, the %20. Yeah, I'll try that in a second. I'm just wondering if that was there before. Yeah, no, that was there before. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's try what you're talking about. So instead of the dot slash, we can do a like dot %20. Or, yeah, I just put it in as a space. Okay. So, closing this. Like when I put in the dot slash lang, it does this. Maybe, is there like a specific directory we're like looking for? If I could close this. It should remove it as a white space. I tried it, it didn't. It's weird because when I did the dot slash lang, it doesn't load the website. This is just the source. Is there like a specific directory I'm looking for? Like, is it the one that they removed? Like, am I supposed to do in like language? Like, what do they remove from the index.php? So we have the page, include pages, and then is that, I think you need to open the flag document in the root directory via the lang parameter. Okay. So, could we just do like one of these flag? Or is that not how it works? Do I have to do like specific like? Because if I just do that a bunch of times, that should, you know. Yeah, that's. So with the lang, how does that even work? Or can we use the get thing that it was talking about? I'm having to look at this, but I don't know if that'll help. I think we could use it. Alright, whatever helps, man, you know, just. Sorry, people are still texting me. So Ministry of Defense, all these other things. What I'm wondering is, like, how do we use the language parameter? Because if we just do, like, we need to place in a specific file, you know what I mean? Like, we can't just put the name of a directory. So if we do dot slash, what's out of there? Like, do I have to put like, wait a second, if this is the pages directory, let's do like, let's try to open the flag then, right? If it's in the configuration file. So if we do // config and then the fake flag name that they put in there, what would happen? Nothing. Because that's the path of the fake flag they gave us. But if we can't see that, then how are we supposed to see the actual flag? Remove love took? Or love talk? Is that something? Could we do like... Is that something? Love? Is that what it said? Love talk? Love talk? Love talk. Love talk. Maybe like the dot slash love talk. No, I don't think that has anything to do with it. Alright, it is so you can rerun it later. Oh, that is just Docker stuff? Okay. I was just looking through to see if there's any hints and stuff in there, because Docker removed takeoff. Because they were removing the file too. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it. So let's go back to the index.php. So include pages, then // Is it removing the pages, or is it just like, what is it removing? Like, is there a file name that it's removing, or is it just removing a directory? Or this lane thing? You did it? Well, you're part of the team, the CTF team, right? So I don't have to do this anymore. Yeah, but how'd you do it? Yeah. If you're on the Discord, so yeah, you can. So if I go into web, yeah, Docker, yeah. Good job. It was literally taking a shower and burn. I had the answer in my head. Cool. So I don't have to do that anymore. But yeah, you can go on the Discord and. Oh, yeah, that is simple. All right, yeah, it is pretty simple. I completely looked over that. The reason you guys who are watching the stream, you won't see it. It's in the Discord because it's not spoil answers or anything like that. Other than me doing the stream right now. So I can close all these though, which is good. Cool. Which one are you guys working on? Alright, so let's see what's a good one. This one has a good amount of information. A tribute page for the legendary alien band called Blitzbot. This challenge will raise 33 euros for a good cause. Alright, well, I think I'm going to try this one. So, alright, cool. So, let's keep going. I hope the audio is good and everything, because that would be pretty bad. But let me get these real quick. Alright, so I'm going to start doing this blitz prop thingy. Oh, whoops, wrong thing. Yep. So, no, not Inspector Gadget. Docker. For the blitz prop. So let's activate this. Alright, it's online. Cool. So let's open this up. And whoops. I didn't mean to edit control T and stuff. Oh, yeah, let it do its thing. While it's doing that, let me add this to my notes and stuff. Cool. So we're going to do a new one. And cool. So for web, let's do the what's it called? Blitz prop. Blitz prop. Alright, cool. So let's refresh the page. Okay, it's still not working. All good. We can cool. So let's see if it's ready now. Oh, not that, the URL. There you go. What is your favorite blitz